Dental implants are the best and most popular option for restoring teeth because they look, feel, and function just like natural, healthy teeth. A dental implant is made of 3 parts: the implant, the abutment, and the crown. The implant is a small titanium post that is placed within the jaw and acts as a replacement for your missing tooth root, promoting jawbone growth and preventing deterioration. The crown connects to the implant through the abutment and is designed to look exactly like a natural tooth. Once all 3 parts have been placed, you will regain functionality in your teeth and confidence in your smile. If properly cared for, dental implants can last a lifetime. A dental implant can be used to restore a single tooth, multiple missing teeth, or an entire arch of missing teeth. During your initial consultation, we will complete any necessary 3D imaging, discuss your restoration goals, and develop a customized treatment plan. We want you to feel at ease knowing that our team will provide you with the highest level of service and treatment throughout your restoration experience.